is in terms of force over the displacement. Force over the displacement. Except kung given directly ang ilahang uh, stiffness no of that structure of, or that spring. So butang tayo nga no, then po another spring na po diri. Ana. So we need to find the equivalent stiffness of the whole system. So we must identify first whether the structure is in parallel or in series, no? It kung saan niya pag-resist against kaning atong weight nga gi-apply diri no? So for this case, kung atong tanawon, the stiffness of the beam butang ta kani ito pag-illustrate ta. So na kay KB1 is in series with this kaning nga spring, no? Kaning KS1. Kay sumpay ra siya, di ba? Kung mo deflect ni diri, ang deflection na niya mag-contribute sa diri na pod, no? Kay if of course kung ang ato ang beam suppose ay nga ni ha, na kay beam nga na, and then i-deflect na siya ni nga ni. Isumpay ra dira si spring, no? So of course iya man ang i-bounce back padulong didto kay naman si weight dito sa ubos. Di ba nasa ang weight na to na diri sa ubos. So therefore, ang kaning duha is in series, no? This one is your KS1. Next, this one is resisted also by the stiffness of this beam. Kani atong simply supported beam, no kani. So therefore, it will also uh, act in series, no? Kani sumpay raman siya. So therefore, na po kay another stiffness which is the stiffness of your beam 2. Kibali, makita na to manggod nga ang weight na to napa sa ubos. So sila tanan na ay contribution in the resistance against aning weight nga naay nga ato ang gi-apply, no? So suppose kanina pod no natay stiffness of your spring number 2 which will I mean kaning upat act in series, no? Nag-resist sila in series kay this one is in downward motion, di ba si weight. And this one ilang i-resist nga dili na mo naog si weight gyud, no? So as with this one no atong beam di na siya mo deflect kaayo tungod sa of its own stiffness. So therefore, kaning sa babaw, it will all act in series. Now, nanadiri si weight. And then, natin kay diri KS3 or the spring 3. So we have this kani ano, so nakay KS3 diri no? So if that's the case, this is in series. So this one kaning nasa ubos, it is either in series or in parallel no atong i-check later. So obviously kaning na-address sa babaw kay in series. So therefore it will act or pwede na to siya kuan og equivalent nga stiffness no. So recall that kung in series, kung ang parallel kay you just simply sum up all of those stiffness. Ang series kay ngani no. Nani siya sa to ang slides nga katubit tong for deflection nga formula tungkol deflection and stiffness nga formula sa andab no. But for this one, K equivalent, K equivalent of in series system, no? Kaya na 1 over K equivalent over, ano lang, 1 over KE. Over 1 over KB1. Sa beam ni siya nga stiffness. Over 1 KS1 plus 1 over KB2 plus 1 over KS2. No? So, mo ni siya ang K equivalent nga for series, no? Ang parallel is para kani, no? Dahil lang klase. So this one is in parallel. So kani sa parallel is just simply sum up all of those nga mga stiffness. So from that, butang ta na kani siya no, nahimo na nato siyang kuhaan na nato siya og equivalent nga murag na-solve kibali na-solve na nato ning 1 o I mean kaning KE, no? So in that case, you just sum up all of this and then get the reciprocal of that para makuha si KE kay the summation of this one is equal to 1 over K sub E, di ba? So therefore, ang summation, you just simply get the reciprocal para pag makuha mo reciprocal ana mo gawas nga answer is value na ni K sub E or K, equivalent stiffness of the whole system above the weight nga gi-cater, no? So therefore, pwede na siya may ngani. Okay, equivalent. Okay, bali, it will act as one system na. So in this case, is it still in series kung nga ang illustration? Nga ang ilang weight nga gi-resist is in between sa ilaha. So for this case, dili na siya in series, no? That will be in parallel, no? Kana nga illustration. Is it because, kung tanaw na to, this is, yes? May question? Okay, so we will proceed. So this is just similar with this one, no? Ang atong weight nga gi-cater, duha sila nga mag-resist, no? Similarly with kani nga illustration. This illustration is the same with this illustration wherein na si K equivalent diri, then diri is na si spring number 3 katong nasa ubos. The reason is that si weight, di ba pan downward ang iyahang action, no? Or may ang direction of the force, no? Kaya this is due to the acceleration, I mean, due to acceleration due to gravity. So in that way, i-resist siya sa ubos. At the same time, dili na siya muna og ni si weight, kay gina-resist po siya sa upward force diri sa babaw. But these two are not in series, kay dili man sila same nga nagsumpay, no? Kay na may weight sa ilang tunga. Not unless kung paras kagay nga na ang weight nga pa sa ubos. So therefore, this system is equal to, I mean is in parallel, no? So that means ang ato ang K equivalent of the whole system kay is just equal with K sub K sub E plus KS3, no? Or ano lang. So that means no, atong whole system kibali kana na ay cantilever, then na ay spring, and then another spring, and then another spring here, then na adri si weight, then pag another spring dira, it will act as kani, no? From spring ay the stiffness of the beam 1, then stiffness of KS1 or spring 1, this is the beam 1. And then this one is the spring 1. Then this is the beam 2. So, kada sila sumpay na tanan, no? And then, nakay KS2. O, 2 de. Then, I wait. Then, nakay another KS3. It is just equal with this one, no? This is your K equivalent of the system which is in series. And then, na-address si wait. And then, we have the KS3, no? Again, it is just also equal with the stiffness nga kani. Your K equivalent of the whole system is just equal to, which is in parallel, no? Kani nga illustration diri ah. So, this will be used nga knowledge para sa inyong pag-answer sa inyong laboratory activity nga last nga gihatag sa inyo ha, wherein basta nag-wonder mo nga nung wala mga given to siya, no? That means you will solve it nga kaning sa tawag gani naka-variable, no? So puros to variable tanan kay puros mo to unknown. Wala may given na to nga mga values. Sa inyong problem number 2 sa inyong laboratory activity. So again, this is in parallel. So that means na siya KE. plus KS3. So this is your final nga stiffness nga equivalent of this whole system kani. So any clarifications regarding this one? So to better understand that one also, we have this example, no? Kani example number 3. So the reason that I have decided to discuss it prior to this discussions for problem number 3 for you to kaning i compare and contrast, no, kung unsa si parallel og si series, no. So para makuhaan ninyo og difference ang duha ba kanus sa ta makaingon kay especially for your analysis sa your laboratory activity, no, wherein most katong narito is a combination of two, no, combination of a series and parallel, I guess. So any questions regarding this one before we will proceed with the problem number 3? So if no questions, then I will proceed with problem number 3. No? Then after this one, we will discuss a brief discussions on our PIT. No? For your PIT, I mean. So here, so take note that these discussions, though na siya sa inyong mga slides, but of course, lahi kung maminaw mo compared sa nara sa slides tanan, no? Kay and I mean in every problem is naililahing approach no on how you solve that one. So if you don't listen in the discussions, no, you just simply rely on this lecture notes, no. So dili na mo na lang mosulod og klase, no. Pwede naman day nga na. So that's why nga there are some discussions nga to be discussed only during the class, no. Erase ako ha. So now we have a machine weighing 1,000 pound force is mounted through springs having a total stiffness of 2,000 pounds per inch to a simple supported beam as shown in the figure below. No? Determine using the analytical model shown. So this is your analytical model, kani, which shows the para makakreate ta og FBD. So that means your displacement, no, or your lateral loads, I mean lateral displacement or deflection, no, in this case. Ang mo resist is the weight of the beam, I mean sorry, mass of the beam, the equivalent stiffness of the whole system, and then the damping coefficient C, which is in this case is equivalent gapon. Sorry. So we have here, so determine using the analytical model shown the equivalent sub mass M sub E, the equivalent spring constant K sub E, no? Or even the kaning tanan, no? As a whole system ni siya pangutana. And the equivalent damping coefficient C sub E. For the system as shown to have a 10% of the critical damping, neglect the mass of the beam. So therefore, for this system, nani siya damper, no? With a 10% of the critical damping. So that only means, no? When we say percentage of our critical damping, that only means nga muna siya ato ang damping ratio, no? Kaya di ba si damping ratio is, from the name itself, the ratio of your damping coefficient. So, natay C over CCR. So, that means, kibali, ang ato adong actual or ato ang absolute nga damping coefficient, C sub E, no, is just 10% of the damping, I mean the critical damping. So, we have C is just equal to the damping ratio of your critical damping, no? So, 10% of it. So, natay 0.1 of CCR. Mo na siya to ang C, no? So, that will be your C equivalent. Now, in the calculations of CCR, no, dili ta ka-calculate ana directly kay this is based on the value of your stiffness, wherein this one is your equivalent kay stiff equivalent mo pud ni nga damping coefficient. So, kinahanglan pud ta og mass equivalent. So, that means we cannot solve for the damping coefficient if we don't know yet the value of your K sub E and M sub E. No? So, dapat kabalo sa tadaanan ng ang mga values. So, therefore, we will start with your K sub E or sa ato ang mass. No? So, either of the two. Kay si mass, dili na ito makuha kay weight is directly given in the problem. No? So, you just simply divide it by 9, we just simply divide it by the acceleration to gravity nga G, no? Which is just consistent with the units po ta dapat, no? So therefore, in this case, we will start with either M sub E or mass equivalent ug kang K sub E or the imong equivalent stiffness of the whole system, no? So from that, as we all know, ato sang tan-awon, before ta mo identify na, ato sa tong i-apply tong ato na learn earlier, whether kung pag magkuha tag equivalent stiffness, ato sang identify whether it is in parallel or in series, no? So from here, kani, take note, ang ato tong weight, ano to enlarge. This is your weight, and then na ay nag-support nga spring dira. Butang ta, this is your KS. And then, na kay beam diri sa ubos, no? So this means nga kani mismo ang beam nasa iyang own stiffness. So we can illustrate it in a way nga this is similar with this one, no? Natay weight, and then natay stiffness, and then natay sa beam. So natay KS, and then natay KB. So in that way, these two will act in series or in parallel. Anyone? Yes. Yes, no, sakto in series, no. Thank you, Mr. Nalia. So this will act as the system will act in series. So that means ang pagkuha na to sa equivalent nga stiffness of this system is kato siya, no, natay 1 over KE is just equal to 1 over KS plus 1 over KB, no? So makita na to daan dayon, no? Ma-identify na to nga this one is in series. So kani sakto na ni siya. Now let's check kung directly given ba ang stiffness ani ni spring og ni beam. Kung si stiffness ni spring ang gihatag kani given na directly. So this is will be your K sub S. Now, the stiffness of the beam is indirectly given in the problem, but we can solve that one using the concept, no, as we all know, that your stiffness is just the force applied kung asa ni mo kuan og stiffness, no, divided by the deflection. So, for this case, ang imong force is in concentrated load, no? Concentrated load man is si weight, dire. So take note that atong kani nga problem is we neglected the mass in the analysis, mass of the beam. So that means, no, so as with the mass of the spring also. So that means we will purely resist, ang atong load nga i-resist is purely from the weight itself. So kaning W nga gi-apply na to nga load. So kung nga na ang case, so therefore, atong force nga i-act diri kaning di ba force, F na lang ni F is that the force nga kadto si weight, no? So weight divided by kana supposedly, no, nga na. So but kung atong i-simplify, no? So we have this formula ni deflection kani. So kung atong i-simplify si formula ni stiffness, it is just equal, so P na lang yun kay P man gamit dira nga variable, P over delta, where P okay lang mag-cancel out na siya, no? Kung ato i-simplify, which is equal to this one, no? Okay, we have this, di ba yung nga naman definition sa stiffness, the force divided by the per unit displacement nga. Okay, bali kung imong kung kani pa tong beam nag-act ka dira og force mo deflect na siya by this one kani nga deflection or equal siya sa kani, no, delta. So if that's the case, your stiffness is the value of that uh, force acted per unit displacement. So we can get kani nga formula, no? Nga na gid ang definition ni stiffness, di ba? The force over unit displacement. So that means kung ang ato ang displacement, di ba? Kani to formula sa displacement, no? Gibutang kagay na we have PL cube over 48 EI. Am I right, no? Kanina dire? Again, this is not part of our discussions, no, supposedly. So, dapat kabalo na mo daan ani, no? The deflection, asa may siya gikan. This is the deflection of the beam if it is a simply supported beam and then nag-apply ka or force at the midspan, no, or at the center of the beam. So that means mo to siya katong kagay na akong illustrate nga na kay beam loaded with a concentrated load at the midspan and then mo deflect na siya with the deflection nga value nga delta. So that means na kay force na kay deflection, so we can get that your K is just equal to force divided by deflection. But kani si deflection is based ni sa inyong mga nabalaan nga formula sa inyong structural theory. No? So that means you need to memorize those mga similar or mga familiar ay mga common lang nga mga loading. This is one of the most common loads, no? Kaning simply supported with a concentrated load at the midspan. So that means kani isa sa pinaka-common nga formula, no? Again, this is only applicable if you have a simply supported beam, that means pin and roller, and then your na kay concentrated load applied at the midspan. Lahi na pod ang formula of course kung uniformly loaded, then pin and roller gapon, or lahi na pod ang formula if it is fixed both sides, no? So depende sa type of beam, no? So pwede niyo praktisan tong inyong laboratory activity, no, para in preparation for your quiz next week. So this is your deflection. We have the P over delta. So kung simplify na to na siya, kani ang ato ang delta, no? So of course, we have, no, kung ato pa i-simplify, no, kung gusto pa yun mo ipakita, na I P L cube over 48 EI. So, mag-cancel out si P, then ma-reciprocate, and then you can get this formula for the stiffness, which is equal to 48 EI over L cube. Now, ato i-check kung ma-solve ba na to siya based on the given. So, based on the given on the problem, given kag EI nga value, no? Gamay ka siya, no? Ato i-zoom in. Oh, sorry. Ay, halap. So, wala po siya no gyapon. At for this one, your EI is in, check atong unit ha, 10 to the power of 7. Ano value ni EI ha? Pound force inch squared. So, mo ang value ni EI. And then, we have the length, which is in inches. No, natay 40 inches. So, therefore, we are still consistent with the unit. Ang mga dimension na to is in inches at ang mga forces is in pounds. So, kung atong i-input dito, we have 48 EI. So, total 48 times EI value is times 10 to the power of 7 pound force inch squared. And then we have L cube or ang tong L is in inches nga 40. So, 40 cube. So, therefore, input na to na din you can obtain for the value of the stiffness which is equal to 7,500 pounds force per inch. So, nanatay stiffness of the beam. Then, given the daan of stiffness of the spring, so we can now calculate for this the equivalent stiffness. Again, please take note that this one is in series, no? That's why nga ingana ang formula. But again, kung if it is in parallel, so lahi na pod, no? You just simply sum up. In this case, walay katong combination of series and parallel except kung naakay another spring baka diri and then nakay load na po dira, no? So kana lahi na po na nga case, no? So for this case, this is in series, therefore we can get this one. You just simply add this one and then get the reciprocal of that. So you can calculate for the equivalent stiffness of the whole uh, system, no? So therefore, which is equal to 1579 pound force per inch. Now, nanatay KE. So, makasolve na ba tag CCR nga sa formula 2 square root of K times M or 2 times mass times kani or 2 times K over kana. So, katong i-check. So, dili pa ta calculate kay wala pa tay value ni mass. No? Kay atong directly given in the problem is ang weight. But of course, you just simply divide it by acceleration due to gravity. But again, use kani 683.4 di ay. So from this one is in force, nga pound force. Then this one is it should be in um inch per second squared. No, which is equal to 386.4. So simplifying this one, weight divided by acceleration due to gravity, then we can obtain 259 pounds second squared per inch. So nana tay equivalent stiffness, nana po tay equivalent nga mass. Now we can proceed with the CE or your actual damping coefficient, which is just equal to CCR times the damping ratio. So in this case, we have the damping ratio nga 10%, but we don't know yet the value of your critical damping coefficient. So therefore, we need to calculate it first using this formula. No? So for this one, we have to square root of your equivalent stiffness, which is in this unit. So please check also, once mag-input kita og value, sorry, KE mali na. This one, kanina ang unit. Naka-inch per, naka-pound force per inch. So, take note that your units must be consistent, no? So, kung nag-pounds ka force, ang mga forces are in pounds, and then imong dimension should also coincide with each other, no? Consistent ta nga, these are all in inches. So, natay, kanino, coincide raman tanan, di ba? Kay pareha ra nga mga unit so that mag-cancel out ra. And then, the remaining unit will be the pounds second per inch for the damping coefficient. So, in this case, the critical damping coefficient, we have 2 square root of K times mass. So, we have the critical damping coefficient nga 127.92 pounds second divided by inch. Now, to calculate for the equivalent damping coefficient, you just simply multiply the damping ratio by the critical. Damping ratio given in the problem is 10%, diba? Or 0.1 of that value sa 127.92. So, therefore, we have this 12.79 pounds second per inch. So, I guess that's all for this lecture, no, for the damp system, damp SDOF. Any clarifications regarding this one? Wala class, wala question, especially that this is just similar if dili given ang stiffness of the spring. In the case of spring, wala tay laing way nga ma-solve siya other than if it is either given or katong force, no? For example, stiffness, as we all know, is just equal to force divided by the deflection. So, it is either ihatag sa iyo ha, ang pila ang pag-deflect niya, no? Kaya ano man, spring, di ba? Then, mo reduce na siya kung i-applyan ni mo og force. So, you can solve it kaning pinaka-general formula of the spring. So, it is either given ngayong ani, kay similar gid siya pagka-solve gyapon sa beam. But, of course, lahi man ang deflection nga sa beam is specific ang deflection sa beam depende kung unsa nga type of support. For the spring, it is either directly given to you or hatagan kag original length og ikaduha nga length nga ni gamay. So ang change in length ana which is this one delta mo to imuhang deflection no or pag-reduce sa length. So kani gyapon ang general formula of the stiffness regardless whether it is a spring or a beam. Oh, natubag ra? Okay. Any other question? So if wala na may question regarding this one, we will proceed with sa katong atoang PIT no nga technical report. Wala pa ako na-upload ang technical report kaya ako may discuss karon unsaon mo ninyo tong mga link nga akong gihatag sa inyo so as with the software and then the database no. Like question with this one, so we can now proceed with the PIT discussions. Wala na. So if wala na, then I will start discussing about the PIT. Okay lang ha ako sa i-prepare. Kwaon, no? I guess, but we can still, depende sa event nga inyohang gamiton, no? So say for example, your events nga gamiton are within the Central and Eastern North America. So you can use this one, kaning NGA East. But for this case, kani atong sample nga tong which is presented sa katong guide nga gi-present ani, which is katong Kobe, Japan nga earthquake. So that's why sa discussion today, we'll just use this one, no, kaning NGA West. So as discussed no during sa katong inyong guide, if you have watched this one, no, kaning guide ninyo para pag-download sa peer ground motion, no, for us to have a record for the time history analysis. So akong itudlo sa inyo karon is di ta maabot sa software kay I mean I'm using a different laptop no kay lisod kay siya i-install actually sa MacBook kay arte kayo ang sa Apple so dili na ko siya ano pero sa lain ako nga laptop kay pwede siya. But if you have any questions regarding sa pag-install kung ano kato magamit na lang ko sa akong isa ka laptop no. But in this case kung wala may any other concerns regarding sa pag-install, so ang ako lang karon is ang guide ug ang technical report nga ako i-discuss. Kay mo to inyong final output dili man kaning inyong simulation. So from here, di ba, if you have watched the video, magpili mo diri og event. In the example for this video is Kobe Japan. But in your case, of course, you will not use the same event name nga ilahang gigamit, no? So kanilang no for the sake of presentation. So say we have this one. So kani no sa mga event no. So for this one, maka-download mo og event. But in your case, is lahing event ang inyong gamiton. Ang inyong basis is katong mga history of earthquakes bitaw nga discussion nato. Di ba na yung mga list of event names dito? So you choose either of those katong nga mga either international or local no even sa Philippine settings no pwede niyo magamit. So kato nga mga data inyohang utilize no mo to inyong gamiton para pag simulate no using the sismo signal. So in this case we have a first come first serve basis. That means each group will decide which event name ilahang pilion. So say for example, ang inyong gusto is kaning let's try kung na sa Philippine setting sa I'm not sure. Wala pa na ako na try di ay. Let's try to check if naa. Oh, no result. Philippines daw. Okay, you may try to search other data nga available nga naa diri kani nga data bank, no? So kato nga case na Kobe, no? But again, katong mga history of earthquakes nga kung nasa slides, some of them are naa diri nga database, no? So that means first come first serve kay even sa Kobe Japan nga kani nga example, daghan gyapon kaayo nga mga event, no? Kani nga event Kobe Japan has different nga mga station. So that means even sa one nga location or isa ka location has different nga mga events, no? So butang ta kaning Kobe Japan nga 1995 KGMA kana. So you may download those data. You must just follow this kani nga video, no? Kaya ang purpose nako diri karon magud is the discussions on the technical report. So once naka-download na mog data ani, inyong i-simulate dito sa kadtong software nga gihatag sa inyo nga again 1 month lang ang iyahang free trial, no? But if you want to use that one, kung namoy mga research, no, nga related with this one, so you may use another device or I guess email ad. I don't know. So basta kay 1 month ra to yung trial if dili niyo paliton. Kay trial period raman ang ato no? So, for the sake nga kabalo mo simulate, no? So for this one, ang inyong makuha diri sa peer ground motion is mga data lang gyud. Data about that certain event. So once mahuman mo og download for this one, mo to inyong i-simulate na dayon diri sa Sismo Signal, no? So diri sa Sismo Signal wherein kani inyong i-download nga download a free trial. So sa kapila na ko sige og try og download dili siya mo run sa ko ang PC, no? So siguro kay I will try my best nga maano pa siya or ako na tong gamiton akong old nga laptop. So but for this one, once imo nito ma-download ni kani nga ground motion, I mean mga database from peer ground motion, i-simulate ninyo ni siya through this software and inyong guide is kani nga video, no? So once you're done with that, once naka-choose na mo og event name, inyong i-chat sa group chat ha kung unsa to nga event name ninyo. Be specific of it, the event name, butang ta year and station. So that I will know whether kung kana inyo ha. Okay, and then I will approve pag yun direct ako sang i-approve kay dapat dili mo same sa other sections also. Kay kasakadagan sa Kobe Japan pa gani daan o daghan na kaayo, no? So or even so that means daghan pag kayo og data ninyo pwede makuha for this peer ground motion nga database. And also we'll check whether kay basin gamiton ninyo ang mga data of the previous students mine. So especially nga this is similar with their PIT sa midterm PIT nila, no? So I will see to it nga dapat lahi gud mo so that nga ma-practice ninyo nga it is your own work, no? Dili pwede kay mangayo lang mo sa ilahang output, no? So moto nga for approval ang inyong event name, no? So once you are done choosing your event name, i-chat ninyo sa group chat then first come first serve basis. So and then that is for approval, no? So kung ako nang example basta matag kog sign or kaning ano nga your event name is approved, usa pa mo mabuhat sa inyong technical report, no? So do you have any trouble in signing up and also in downloading data and in installing the software? Wala.
Ma'am, I think some of us, ma'am, is kuan ma'am, magsugod pa lang og install, ma'am.
Okay. Sige. Wala din yung get yung final output, no, to be submitted a week after the exam. So mga in your case kay kinahanglan pa to siya i-defend, no? So deadline is Monday ni siya October 13 kay para same sa tanan section. But the defense is during your face to face a week after your midterm exam, no? So mo to i-meet pagka next a week after your midterm exam. So for this one, this is your output to be done individually. But ang submission, ay sorry, to be done by group. But the submission is individual. So that means buhaton ninyo ni by group, mag-simulate mo by group, magtrabaho mo atong inyong sa software, and then so as with this report by group. But the submission on your Google Classroom is soft copy lang ha, is online. No? Online lang ato ang submission. But individually submitted. Dili pwede nga nag-submit isa din, o di na ka mo submit. So, dili nga na, no? So, though it is done by group, so that means kung nagtrabaho mo sa inyong grupo, then ay isa wala itabang yun, nagulat lang og mahuman ng output, you may not give him or her the copy of your output, no? So, that means I'm encouraging everyone to do your part is part of your group, no? Or as a co-group member. Nga dili pwede nga isa or duha lang sa group ang magtrabaho, no? Of the things nga tanan mahimulos, no? So that means manang gipa ang submission is individual, bala og by group ang output. So in your output kanina tanan, no, inyo lang ni pang-edit. Submit it in PDF form. So final guidelines na tanan dito sa akong i-submit nga i-upload sa inyong Google Classroom later. So from here, we have the time history analysis. Write your name here. And then, so as with your group number is similar with the group ninyo sa quiz if same group mo. Then if not, then i-appeal ninyo chat dito sa inyong event name, group number, and then group members. Then year and I mean section di ay. So, kani siya, inyo na lang i-edit is the date performed. So, that means, kung kanos mo nag-simulate, no? Kung sa inyo na-decide nga date. So, this will be remained untouched kani nga portion. So, okay na ayun na sa labti. Ang diri nga lang mo na inyong ipang-edit, no? So, for the abstract, as we all know, no? When we say abstract of a certain report or a research, no? Or kanino, your abstract is just simply the summary of your PIT. So when you say summary, you must include the analysis, assessment, evaluation. So that means kato imuhang gipang buhat nga pag-simulate katong unsa nga sa inyong gi-simulate, unsa nga mga graph ang iyang na-create, no? Unsa ang tanan, no? So and also especially based on the summary of results, no? Dapat makita nimo dito kung based on the evaluation, butang ta example, no, nga na kay graph of a displacement. So the displacement imong ibutang dito nga based on the results obtained for the event Kobe Japan, uh, the displacement is linearly increasing with respect to time. So may nga na nga mga ano. Then, based on this, again, as mentioned, based on the summary of results. And then, of course, you must discuss briefly. Okay, this is the abstract or summary. So, brief lang a discussion, no? So, about the methodology or the you conducted your activity. So, that means ay mo ang process, no? And then, so as with the conclusions, no? So, na kay mga conclusions nga, summary lang aning imong gibutang diri nga mga nakalist. So after that mga taman diri like guro with this given font size nga 9 naman din niyo. So utang tay nga nilang kataas guro imong abstract, no, or depende sa inyo, but it should not be that long nga murag malukop niya ang more than half of the page, no. So dapat mga nga nilang or depende sa inyo basta dili kay nga nakataas. Okay, again, this is just a summary of the results obtained during this simulation, no, or kani nga conduct sa inyong PIT. Next is you must have, I mean, include keywords, no? Imo lang i-type dira. Example, ano, sis, time history analysis, kana, mo naman yung keyword. And also, kaning sismo signal, displacement, spectral acceleration, no, velocity, no, spectral velocity. So, kana inyong ipambutang ang mga keywords nga man nga gamit nimo during the simulation. Next is you must have at least briefly discuss the time history analysis. No, so this is research, mag-research mo og mga reason, ay may reason, mga definition of a time history analysis so as with its purpose, no? Og nganong unsa na siya? What is this all about? And then also you may include sa second paragraph you may discuss about the software nga atong gigamit, no, which is the Sysmo Signal. So pwede ra siya nga you may include nga unsa ang ah sa gani unsa ang mga posible niya nga ma-produce, no, nga sa simulation. Like for example katong giingon mga spectral acceleration, spectral velocity, so as with the displacement, etc. So pwede mo siya i-discuss ana unsay mga possible nga mga purpose o unsay mga possible nga mga output nga kaya niya i-produce, no? So next is the apparatus of course, you list down lang ang giingon, no? So you may list all of those apparatus and then give a little nga mga or brief discussions unsa na siya. Especially kaning laptop and then okay ra nang ayan na lang the software, no, kay example diri, no, apparatus or software. For example, this is mo signal, no, and then add definition. So katong may laptop or kani mo signal and any other sources, no, pwede pod katong na mga if you know about uh what's this kaning software man gud para makabalot ta og unsaon siya pag buhat og right nga references, no. Kay kung magsalig mo nang sa ChatGPT dili na maoy panghatag nga references dira. So na mga software nga pwede niyo magamit, no, like dito nimo ma-store ang imong mga RRL and then at the same time para sakto nga references iyang mahatag. So kung nagamit mo ingana pagbuhat sa references diri, so you may still include that one, no. Nakalimot ko sa akong ginagamit, ako pang pangitaon. Sa isa mo ko ka-laptop gibutang to. So for that one, no, depende sa inyo kung sa inyong gipanggamit nga mga software and apparatus. Next is methodology. You just simply or briefly discuss the process on how you conducted and obtained the data, results, and graphs for this PIT. So for this one, you just, kato lang yung flow lang gid siya, no? So you may use the video that I have shared with you, kato nga link, kung giunsa. So pwede mo siya i-put into words tong mga gidiscuss dito sa ato ang sa video, no? So, and also katong inyong gipangbuhat na dayon sa simulation kay not everything is included sa katong dito sa video. That is just a guide on you, no? But kung ana, so katong dito sa simulation, pwede na nga you can do it or maano man na ninyo, ma-express man ninyo sa mga flow or sa process nga inyong nabuhat in doing this report. Next is the result and discussions. Of course, if you have done with your flow or imuhang methodology or process, so nahuman nakaana-tanan, of course, naka-output, no? Or naka-results. So therefore, from the term itself, result and discussions, that means i-present niyo tanan ng mga result diri and then discuss kung unsa to nga mga results. So say for example, you're naka-result or table ay naka-table. When we are involving tables, nasa babaw na siya ha. Pag graph or figures nasa ubos. So kung tables, ang title nasa babaw. Pag picture or graph, butang ta naka-picture diri sa babaw, sa ubos ang kani, no? Nga na ang ano ha, pag table nasa babaw, ang graph of figure nasa ubos. Example, mag-include ka og na kay graph dira. Sa imong graph, butang ta graph of na kaning tagta, no, nakay figure dira or graph. So dira nasa babaw, ang title nasa ubos, no? So that's how it is presented. So right after that one, butang ka og brief nga explanation, no? Kay from the term itself, result, of course, that will be useless if dili nimo siya ma-discuss. Kay di man to siya purely, di to siya masabtan sa nga result kung wala ta kasabot mismo. Di to siya ma-explain. So, say for example, na kay graph, no? So, kung dimension kagain na, so the graph shows the blank. So, for example, the graph shows that the uh, the period of the so ano stops at kani, or the graph shows that linearly increasing ang ato ang acceleration or spectral acceleration then for a given period of time ana, no, so or with respect to time, no, so naman na siya tanan dito sa ato ang simulation. So from that, kato nga mga graph, you may include everything nga inyohang gipang simulate, no, so that as for that certain event. Then again, give a brief explanation. For us for me to assess whether you have understand sa ginang graph, kay basi nagbutang ra ta graph dira din wala unsa na sila, no? So dapat na brief explanation, no? Next is the conclusion. So as to conclusion, you just simply list down all your conclusions based on your observations on the result. You may explain each graph obtained from the simulation. So, mo to siya. Itong example na ko earlier. Pwede rin nimo kuha imong conclusion based sa imong mga result. So, sa imong conclusion, it may be a general conclusion or a specific on each graph, no? But, mas importante nga, dili po tanan, no? Kay, ang conclusion is more i-generalize na to ang result. No? That's how you create a an efficient nga kaning way nga pag-conclude for a certain uh, research, no. Next is as for the reference, you may include the katubitang link, no, sa YouTube. So in a way nga dapat naka APA format ha, nga di ba pwede man ta maka-cite using a link sa internet using APA format. So in that way, you can add that in your reference, no. Also, since di ba diri ang imong mga explanation or imong mga discussions about the time history analysis is of course karon pa nimo siya na meet, no, you cannot really define that on your own words. So therefore nagid kay gipang search ana through internet or through reading or through mga manuals or journals. So you may include that in this reference, no, kani nga part sa reference. So as with the mga diri sa tuang aparatos kay syempre mag-add mo tag definitions. Of course, you cannot just purely express it in your own words, no? Some of it kay nag-research ta, no? So, kung na own words, maayo. Kung nag-research ta, o definition of that one, so therefore, you must add it sa to ang reference nga naa diriya. Then, lastly is your supplementary figure. Sa supplementary figure, so some of the graphs nga dili na ninyo makaya og butang og definition tanan, but tag-include gyapon mo. So you may add all of this diri na lang sa supplementary figure, no? For example, out of pila ka graphs butang ta 50, no? Ay nga lang example lang. Then 10 lang ka graph inyong gibutang diri, then some of it inyong pangdungag nga feel niyo necessary. So ibutang ninyo sa supplementary figure, but the most important point in doing or in uploading figures, no, again nga niya po na sa figures ha, similar to this one wherein ato figure na sa babaw na then ang title na sa ubos. So you have a figure, ang pinaka-importante dire is you must include the group pictures while doing the PIT. So this will assure us that everyone has a contribution in the performance or in the para mahuman ang inyong mga PIT, no. So for this one, kung individual mo nagtrabaho, wala gyud mo'y time nga nag-work as one group. So at least capture nga kamo tanan individually ba na ba mo'y contribution, no? So basta na mo'y proof, it is just a proof that you have uh, contributed in the pag in this PIT, no? So, pwede niyo dire ibutang sa inyong supplementary figure. I guess that's all for this PIT. I mean, for this technical report. Do you have any questions or clarifications?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
About sa
Sama.
formatting, ma'am, sa font size or anything.
Ayaw na ni i-edit ning naa diri ah. So kung unsa ning mga font like Times New Roman, kaning mao ni ibutang, no? For example, diri sa abstract kay 9 ra iyang font, then diri kay 10 kana. Pati kaning ano, so di ini hilabti din. You just simply pag human mo ani, you just simply upload it in PDF form para dili mabuskag.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Any other concerns? Again, reminding everyone to chat no the event name nga inyohang ano so as with your group number kung and you may include the other group group members ano lang group number and group leader kung same lang nga group niha sa inyohang quiz, then the event name, then quiz on Tuesday next meeting during our face-to-face class.
Ma'am, problem solving ka atong quiz mo?
Yes, purely problem solving for the dumped SDOF nga topic. That is in preparation with your exam. Sa inyong exam na mga terms sa any other concerns? Kaya kung wala na, we'll just check the attendance first before you leave the classroom. I mean the online classroom. Okay, if no other questions, I will just check attendance first. Agan,
Present Agan, ma'am.
Andig.
Present Andig, ma'am.
Oh, sakto ba niya akong sakto di. Aradilios. Aradilios, wala. Balbutin.
Present Balbutin, ma'am.
Betarmos. Betarmos, wala. Buholano.
Present
Present
Buholano.
Bitarmos, ma'am.
Okay, Betarmos present.
Present
Buholano.
Bitarmos, ma'am.
Okay, noted. Buholano na ano?
Present Buholano, ma'am.
Buhia.
Present Buhia, ma'am.
Kagampang.
Present, ma'am.
Kaingin.
Present, ma'am.
De la Serna.
Present, ma'am.
De los Reyes.
Present, ma'am.
Dulfo. Wala. Erwela.
Present, Erwela, ma'am.
Estela.
Present, ma'am.
Hamis.
Present, Hamis, ma'am.
Lapatis.
Present po, ma'am.
Lonzaga. Wala. Lozada.
Present Lozada, ma'am.
Lubguban.
Present, ma'am.
Lumbay.
Present, ma'am.
Magbaril.
Present, ma'am.
Manatad. Manatad, wala. Mangalos.
Present Manatad, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Okay. Mangalos. Wala. Mangaw.
Present Mangaw, ma'am.
May bituin.
Present, ma'am.
Mendez.
Present, ma'am.
Mercado.
Present, Mercado, ma'am.
Nalia.
Present, ma'am.
Narito. Wala. Orapa.
Present, ma'am.
Present Narito, ma'am.
Okay, narito. Orapa na ano?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ozaraga.
Present, ma'am.
Peñas.
Present Peñas, ma'am.
Peras. Perez.
Present, ma'am.
Quijada.
Present Quijada, ma'am.
Redondo.